Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to send money in the Barion application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the payments button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the send money button at the top of the page on the left. And first you have to type in to whom you are sending the amount of money. You can set the currency, and you can also write a note or a message, like the topic of the payment or the type of payment, so whatever you want, and then just click on the send button at the bottom of the page. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.